In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check game version on Steam. So first, go ahead and open Steam on your computer and let it fully load like normal. Once everything is ready, you'll be on the main interface where you can access your store, community and library from the top menu. What we need for this is your game library, so go ahead and click the library tab at the top. Once you're inside your Steam library, you'll see all your games listed on the left side of the window. Take a moment here to scroll and find the game you want to check the version for. When you found it, right click on the game title. This will open a small menu with different options related to that game, like managing files, settings, and properties. From that menu, click Properties. A new window will open specifically for that game, showing different tabs that control updates, files, and other settings. This is where Steam keeps all the technical information for each individual game, so it's the correct place to check version data. Now inside the Properties window, look for the Updates tab and click it. This section is mainly used for update behavior and patch management, but it also contains version related information for the installed build of the game. Once you're in the Updates tab, look for the line labelled Build ID. This is the key detail you need. The number shown under Build ID represents your current installed version of the game. It's essentially the identifier for the exact build that is running on your system right now. If you're comparing versions with friends or checking if your game is up to date, this number is what you'll use. You can match it against patch notes or other players to confirm if everyone is on the same version or if you need an update. There's nothing else you need to click or change here. Steam automatically keeps this information updated based on your installed files. So the build ID will always reflect your current game version as long as everything is properly updated. Once you're done checking it, you can simply close the properties window and go back to your library. The information stays the same, so you can revisit it anytime you need without doing anything extra. And that's it. A quick and simple way to check your game version on Steam using the built-in properties menu and the build ID shown in the updates tab.